Okay. Ooh, I scrolled too far. Hey, there's some problems. Okay. Randomly scrolled to number 11. Let's do it. So a go-kart is traveling in a circle, flat horizontal. That's a very boring go-kart. The radius is 25. The mass is 200 kilograms. The centripetal force is 1200 newtons. So we want to know the speed. So speed and velocity are technically different things, but today they are the same. So we're going to solve for velocity. Okay, so our center-seeking force equals mass times our center-seeking acceleration. F equals ma, it's just like, this is just a special case. So we're doing the centripetal force equals m times v squared over r, because AC equals v squared over r. So I'm going to say the centripetal force is 1200. The mass is 200. We don't know the velocity. And the radius is 25. I like moving numbers around, not letters. If you want to move letters around, you can. You can say FC equals mv squared over r. So I'm going to divide both sides by m and get FC over m equals v squared over r. We'll multiply by r. So FC times r over m equals v squared. So the square root of FC times r over m, that's your velocity. I prefer to move numbers around. So I'm going to do 1200 divided by 200 and say 6 equals v squared over 25. I'm going to multiply both sides by that 25 to get rid of it. So I'm going to say 150 equals v squared. So then we take the square root of both sides to get rid of that squared. So the square root of 150, is 12.2. So you could have also done it over here. You could have said, well, the square root of, and then plug your numbers in and go 1200 times 25 divided by 200. So 1200 times 25 divided by 200. Take your square root of that. Take your square root of that, and you still get 12.2. So whether you prefer to rearrange letters or prefer to rearrange numbers, it's up to you. Know thyself. But the right answer is 12.2. Oh, hey, it's multiple choice. It's this one.